The world stands at the cusp of a new era in air combat. Sixth-generation fighter jets are no longer a futuristic concept, they are rapidly becoming a reality. These aircraft represent a significant leap in military technology. They promise to redefine the battlefields of the future. Gone are the days of dogfights and close-range engagements. The future of air warfare lies in stealth, speed, and autonomous capabilities. Sixth-generation fighters are not merely incremental upgrades, they are a paradigm shift. These aircraft incorporate cutting-edge advancements in areas like artificial intelligence and hypersonic flight. They are designed to operate in a battle space saturated with sensors, electronic warfare, and long-range missiles. The development of these aircraft is a testament to the relentless pace of technological innovation in the military sector. At the forefront of this revolution is the United States Air Force with its highly anticipated F-47 fighter jet. Developed under the Next Generation Air Dominance program, the F-47 embodies the future of air power. It is designed to maintain America's air superiority in an increasingly complex and contested global environment. The F-47 is more than just an aircraft, it is a symbol of American technological prowess. While still shrouded in secrecy, leaks and official statements hint at the F-47's formidable capabilities. Reports suggest the aircraft will possess advanced stealth technology, rendering it virtually invisible to enemy radar. Furthermore, the F-47 is rumored to have a longer range than any of its predecessors. This extended reach is crucial for projecting power across vast distances, particularly in the strategically vital Indo-Pacific region. The F-47 is expected to be a game-changer, capable of penetrating heavily defended airspace and engaging adversaries with unprecedented lethality. The true strength of the F-47 lies not only in its physical capabilities, but also in its revolutionary technological advancements. At the heart of this technological marvel is its seamless integration of artificial intelligence. This AI is expected to assist pilots in managing the overwhelming amount of data present in modern battlefields. From threat assessment and target prioritization to real-time tactical analysis, AI will act as a co-pilot, enhancing the pilot's situational awareness and decision-making abilities. Adding another layer of lethality is the F-47's ability to integrate with a network of drones. These drones, acting as extensions of the fighter jet, can perform a variety of roles. They can act as scouts, providing real-time intelligence on enemy positions and movements. They can also serve as decoys, confusing enemy radar and diverting attention away from the F-47. In a more offensive capacity, these drones can be armed, effectively becoming remote-controlled weapons platforms that extend the F-47's reach and firepower. Section 4. Balancing act, cost versus capability. However, the development of such an advanced weapon system comes at a steep price. Estimates for the F-47's cost range from $200 to $300 million per unit, making it one of the most expensive fighter jets ever built. This exorbitant cost has raised concerns about the program's feasibility and sustainability. Critics argue that the resources allocated to the F-47 could be better spent on other defense priorities. They point to the already strained defense budget and the need for greater investment in areas like cybersecurity and hypersonic defense. Furthermore, the high cost of the F-47 could price out potential allies, limiting its export potential. Many countries may opt for more affordable fifth-generation fighters or prioritize investing in other defense capabilities. This could potentially impact interoperability between the U.S. Air Force and its allies, particularly in joint operations. The U.S. will need to carefully consider these cost implications and potentially explore options for collaboration and cost sharing with key partners.